Hello and welcome to the third lecture in our series on cell division. Previously, we covered the basics of interphase. I hope the topic is clear. In addition to this, we had a discussion on cyclins, cyclin-dependent kinases, different phases of interphase, how security check works in case of cell division. We also discussed the non-homologous end joining and homologous recombinational repair process of DNA repair. In this video, we will discuss the pre-prophase, which is specific to plant cells. Let's start the video. Only in plant cells, there is a stage that comes before prophase called preprophase. Before mitosis can occur, the nucleus of highly vacuolated plant cells must first come into the center of the cell and establish itself there. This is achieved through the formation of phragmosome, which is a transverse sheet of cytoplasm that divides the cell in half along the plane that will eventually be used for cell division. In addition to the formation of phragmosomes, the formation of a ring of microtubules and actin filaments, also known as preprophase band, occurs underneath the plasma membrane during preprophase stage. This ring traverses the future equatorial plane of the mitotic spindle. Preprophase is characterized by the formation of phragmosomes. This particular band identifies the future site of cell division for the organism. The cells of higher plants, such as flowering plants, do not contain centrioles. Instead, microtubules form a spindle on the surface of the nucleus, and the chromosomes themselves organize the microtubules into spindle after the nuclear membrane is broken down. These were some of the important points regarding pre-prophase stage of mitosis. Next, we will discuss the other stages of mitosis in detail. If you liked the video, if you enjoyed the video, then please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.